Have you ever wondered what's so special about the farthest planet in our solar system, Neptune? This enigmatic world, nestled in the frigid outskirts of our star's domain, holds a charm that's as captivating as its deep blue hue. Neptune, named after the Roman god of the sea, shares a certain kinship with its namesake, boasting a stunning azure color that mirrors the deepest oceans on Earth. This blue giant is the eighth and last recognized planet in our solar system, a testament to its distant position from the Sun. But its remote location doesn't make it any less interesting. Far from it, Neptune's mystique is only enhanced by its isolation. Its distinct blue color? That's the result of the planet's atmospheric composition, a cocktail of hydrogen, helium, and a pinch of methane to give it that signature blue. So it's not just a pretty face, Neptune's got science on its side too. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the countdown of the top 10 most fascinating facts about Neptune. Fact number 10. Neptune has the wildest weather in the solar system. On this distant blue giant, the weather is more than just a casual conversation starter. Let's journey together into its extreme conditions. The most striking feature of Neptune's weather is its supersonic winds. These winds blow at staggering speeds, reaching over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. But what drives these extreme conditions? It's Neptune's high internal heat. Unlike Earth, which gets most of its heat from the sun, Neptune generates more heat from within. This internal heat creates atmospheric disturbances and fuels these monstrous winds. But the weather on Neptune doesn't stop at high winds. Storms on this planet make our earthly hurricanes look like a walk in the park. These storms, combined with the intense winds, create a chaotic yet fascinating atmosphere. Imagine a storm more violent than any hurricane on Earth. That's a typical day on Neptune. Fact number 9. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. This icy blue giant may be stunning to look at, but don't be fooled by its beauty. The temperatures on Neptune are incredibly severe, due to its great distance from the Sun. Neptune is a staggering 2.8 billion miles away from our star, a distance so vast it's hard to comprehend. This extreme remoteness means it receives very little of the Sun's warmth. Its average temperature hovers around a chilling negative 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the surface of Pluto, even though Pluto is further from the Sun. It's a paradox that scientists are still working to understand. These harsh conditions make Neptune a world of perpetual winter where even the toughest earthly organisms would find it impossible to survive. It's an alien landscape of extreme cold where the sun appears as nothing more than a bright star in the distant sky. Neptune is not a place for a summer vacation, that's for sure. Fact number 8. Neptune has a great dark spot. This spot is not a calm, serene pool of nothingness, oh no. It's a colossal storm, a tempest, a whirl of winds and clouds that make our earthly hurricanes seem like a gentle breeze. It's similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but it's darker, deeper, and far more mysterious. This great dark spot is about the size of our Earth, and it's not just a simple storm. It's a high-pressure system, the opposite of a hurricane on Earth, which is a low-pressure system. And here's the kicker. The great dark spot isn't permanent. It appears and disappears, changes size, and shifts position. It's like a giant cosmic chameleon, always adapting, always changing. This ephemeral nature of the Great Dark Spot is what makes it so fascinating. The Great Dark Spot is a reminder of the dynamic and constantly changing nature of Neptune's atmosphere. Fact number 7. Neptune has a set of thin rings. Different from the iconic broad rings of Saturn, Neptune's are slender and faint. They're composed mainly of dust particles coated in ice, and they're so elusive that they weren't even confirmed until the late 20th century. Voyager 2, a spacecraft launched back in the 70s, offered the first irrefutable proof of their existence during its flyby in 1989. These rings exist in 5 main sections named after astronomers who've significantly contributed to our understanding of Neptune. From nearest to furthest, these are Gale, Leverrier, Lassell, Arago, and Adams. Each one of these rings tells a unique story about Neptune's gravitational field, revealing how it shapes and guides these icy particles on their perpetual cosmic ballet around the planet. The rings of Neptune may not be as famous as Saturn's, but they're just as intriguing. Fact number 6. Neptune has 14 known moons. These celestial bodies, each with their unique characteristics, orbit the distant blue giant and add to its allure. Among these, Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is a standout. It's not just the size that sets Triton apart, but its retrograde orbit. It's the only large moon in our solar system that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation. Triton is also geologically active, with geysers that spew nitrogen gas from beneath its icy surface into space. This moon is so fascinating that scientists believe it may have been a dwarf planet that Neptune captured long ago. It's a chilly world, with surface temperatures dropping to -395 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. With their varying sizes, orbits, and characteristics, Neptune's moons add another layer of mystery to this distant planet. Fact number 5, Neptune spins on its side. Now, if you think our Earth's tilt, at about 23 degrees, is significant, prepare to be amazed. Neptune, the blue giant, takes a dramatic tilt to a whole new level. It spins on a whopping axis tilt of about 29 degrees. This unusual tilt isn't just for show, it has a profound impact on Neptune's seasons. Imagine a world where the poles get more sunlight than the equator. That's Neptune for you. Its extreme tilt means that during its summer and winter seasons, the poles receive continuous sunlight or darkness, respectively. This results in the most extreme seasonal changes known in our solar system. The temperature differences between the planet's summer and winter seasons are so drastic they're almost unimaginable. It's a place of icy cold winters and incredibly hot summers, all thanks to Neptune's peculiar sideways spin. Neptune's tilt gives it the most extreme seasons in the solar system. Fact number 4. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Now that's what we call a long year. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun in our solar system, takes an incredible amount of time to complete a single orbit around our star. Imagine our planet Earth has completed over 165 revolutions around the Sun in the time it takes Neptune to complete just one. It's a testament to the vastness of our solar system and the slow, graceful dance of celestial bodies. This long year also has a historical significance. Neptune was discovered in the mid-19th century, and it was only recently, in the late 20th century, that it completed its first recorded year since its discovery. That's right, it took over a century for Neptune to celebrate its first birthday. If you lived on Neptune, you'd have to wait a very long time to celebrate your birthday. Fact number 3, Neptune was discovered mathematically. Now that's a statement that begs for clarification, isn't it? Let's embark on a journey back in time, to the mid-19th century. Astronomers had noted that Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, wasn't moving as predicted. It was straying off its anticipated path, and this deviation was causing quite a stir. Something was tugging it off course, but what? Enter two brilliant minds, Urbain Le Verrier and John Couch Adams. Separately, they took to their calculations and discovered something remarkable. Uranus's peculiar movement could be explained by the gravitational pull of an as-yet undiscovered planet. And so, armed with nothing but mathematical equations and the unwavering belief in the laws of physics, Le Verrier convinced the Berlin Observatory to search the skies. And there, in the exact location predicted, they found Neptune. Neptune's discovery is a testament to the power of science and mathematics. It's a story of how human intellect can reach out and touch the stars. Fact number 2, Neptune's magnetic field is a mystery. This enigmatic blue giant isn't just intriguing due to its windy atmosphere or many moons, but also because of its peculiar magnetic field. Unlike our home planet's neatly aligned magnetic field, Neptune's is a bit of a cosmic oddball. It's tilted at a staggering 47 degrees from the planet's rotation axis, and is offset by a surprising 13,000 kilometers from the planet's physical center. Imagine a bar magnet not at the heart of the planet but skewed off to one side. That's Neptune for you, a real maverick in the solar system. This off-center and tilted magnetic field results in a wildly fluctuating magnetosphere, creating one of the most complex magnetic environments in our solar system. The cause of this is still up for debate among scientists. Even with all our modern technology, Neptune continues to surprise and confound us. And finally, fact number 1. Neptune's blue color comes from frozen methane. Now isn't that a chilly thought? Methane, a simple molecule composed of one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, is abundant in Neptune's thick atmosphere. This frozen gas absorbs red light from the sun, but here's the cool part, it reflects blue light back into space. It's this scattering of blue light that gifts Neptune its unique, vibrant blue color. Think of it as Neptune's own personal spotlight, shining across the solar system. It's not just the beauty of the blue that's captivating though. The presence of methane also hints at the extreme cold temperatures on the planet. So, imagine a world where the very air you breathe could freeze solid. That's Neptune for you, a planet of extremes. So the next time you look up at the night sky, think about the blue giant Neptune, a world of wind, ice and mystery, waiting to be explored.